Hello everyone, sanibonani, dumelang, absheni, molweni, thobela, lochani. I hope you all good people out there. Welcome to 105 Online.
Western Cape organized crime detectives are investigating the circumstances surrounding the murder of 6 men in Khayelitsha on Sunday. Police spokesperson Brig Novella Potelwa said murder dockets were opened after police found the bodies of 5 yet-to-be-identified men while a 6th person died at a medical facility. Novella said, reports from the scene indicate police were called to the corner of Mafongwana and Adada streets in Site C after 8 p.m. on Sunday where they found the bodies of 5 victims who had been shot. A 6th person who had been rushed to hospital was certified dead on arrival. What is wrong with our country? People are killed like flies. I really hope they activate that 72-hour plan just like they did with Hillary Gardi so that we can find those killers. May their souls rest in peace, sending love and prayers to the families affected. Please share your thoughts on this tragedy that happened at Khayelitsha. Please subscribe for more news.